Welcome to Drive Zone, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance cars. If you're a fan of exotic supercars, then you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're going to be exploring the incredible 2025 Pagani Huayra. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned as we break down the specs, features, and everything you need to know about this stunning hypercar. Let's get into it. The 2025 Pagani Huayra is a car built for performance, luxury, and cutting-edge design. Under the hood, the Pagani Huayra features a formidable engine that continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the hypercar world. This model is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbocharged engine, developed in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This powerhouse produces an astounding 840 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque, giving it jaw-dropping acceleration and a top speed that will leave most competitors in the dust. It's a perfect blend of raw power and precision engineering, designed for enthusiasts who demand the very best. When it comes to the transmission, the 2025 Huayra is equipped with a 7-speed automated manual gearbox that channels all that power to the rear wheels. The dual-clutch transmission ensures quick gear shifts for maximum acceleration and performance. This setup provides a thrilling driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding mountain roads. As for the drive type, the Huayra is rear-wheel drive, making it ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate the precise handling dynamics that come with it. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2025 Huayra is nothing short of luxurious. It seats 2 passengers and features premium leather upholstery throughout, with options for bespoke materials like carbon fiber accents, exotic wood trim, and chrome highlights. Every detail is carefully crafted to offer a unique and refined driving experience. The interior also includes advanced tech features, including a sophisticated infotainment system with GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a high-quality audio system. The seats are not only comfortable but also equipped with heating and cooling options, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the weather conditions. On the outside, the Huayra retains its signature sleek and aerodynamic design. The body is a masterpiece, with a beautifully sculpted shape that aids in high-speed stability and performance. Measuring at 4,640 mm in length, 2,030 mm in width, and 1,169 mm in height, it maintains an aggressive stance while ensuring optimal aerodynamics. The car's wheelbase is 2,700 mm, contributing to its balanced handling characteristics. Pagani's attention to detail is evident in every curve and line, with the iconic gullwing doors standing out as one of the most recognizable features. For suspension and handling, the 2025 Huayra is equipped with an independent double wishbone suspension system in both the front and rear, providing exceptional ride quality and cornering performance. Paired with adjustable shocks, this setup allows the driver to fine-tune the car's handling characteristics based on road conditions or driving preferences. The Huayra also features a responsive rack and pinion steering system, which ensures precise control at any speed, making it a true driver's car. When it comes to stopping power, the Pagani Huayra features carbon ceramic disc brakes, which are not only lightweight but also extremely durable under high-performance conditions. The large brake discs help ensure exceptional braking performance, whether you're navigating tight corners or decelerating from high speeds. These are paired with an advanced anti-lock braking system (ABS) and electronic stability control (ESC), which enhance safety and performance, providing you with a stable and controlled ride at all times. In terms of safety, the 2025 Huayra comes equipped with multiple airbags, including front and side airbags, offering protection in the event of a collision. The car also includes advanced stability control systems to help prevent skidding or loss of control, especially at high speeds. The Pagani Huayra is built to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while keeping safety at the forefront. As for additional features, the 2025 Pagani Huayra is packed with luxury and convenience features. The car comes with cruise control, power windows and locks, and even an optional sunroof for those who want to enjoy a bit more sunlight while cruising in this exotic machine. You can expect nothing less than the best, from the intricate interior materials to the high-tech gadgets that come with it. The 2025 model also comes with several performance upgrades, such as an enhanced sport suspension, further elevating the driving experience for those looking for a track-ready hypercar. Pagani also offers a variety of unique design elements and special edition trim packages, making the Huayra not just a car but a true work of art. Whether you choose the standard design or opt for a bespoke edition, you can be sure that every Huayra is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Throughout its production run, the 2025 Huayra has seen a few updates to make it even more refined and capable. These updates include improved aerodynamics, performance tweaks, and enhanced interior comfort, all of which make the 2025 Huayra a truly exceptional car in its class. Thanks for tuning into Drive Zone. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews, news, and in-depth looks at the latest and greatest in the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Drop your thoughts and comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the 2025 Pagani Huayra. See you in the next video, where we'll take a closer look